welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm doing my first Christmas card of 2019. I think I started in July last year as well. And I think I was prompted by Fiona Whitehead from the Joy Sets that time as well. Fiona has posted this sketch on Saturday for us to copy and to do a Christmas card, a Christmas in July You'll see card. That I'm not going to copy the sketch, absolutely. I just thought there was too much going on for my liking. So these two pieces here I've changed slightly. The rest of it I've more or less stuck with. Okay, so I've gone for a black and white card and I'm using Stampin' Up! Star of Light stamp and die set. It's a retired set and I've used a 6x4 basic black. This is a Stampin' Up! In fact everything's Stampin' Up! I think nearly today. Basic black background, and then instead of using the there was a piece of something and there was a like a banner. Instead of doing that, I've used this swoosh out of this set, which was used. Whoops, sorry for the sirens. It's a lovely morning, so I've got the doors and windows open, so I might get some outside noise. So I've used the swoosh instead, and I've used sort of the thicker end and the thinner end because the two pieces, one was thicker, one was thinner. But yeah, it was on a card that I received as a rack the other day, and it's just so beautiful, so that also inspired me. So that's going to go onto my card base. That measures 3 7/8 by 5 7/8. I'm just going to put that on with some Tombow. And then I took the strip, which measures 5 3/8 by 2.5, and that's just Whisper White, and I've just added a little tiny strip of black, another strip of black with Whisper White on top, and I've stamped Merry Christmas from Star of Light using Memento ink. If you want the measurement for that little black strip, it's 7/8 by 1.5, and the other little black strip is 3/4 by 1.5, and the white strip is 1/2 inch by 2 3/8. So that's just going to go on there, and I'm going to stick that down with Tombow as well. It's a shame to cover up that lovely stamping, but I'm going to have to. And then I've got a square of card here which measures 2.5 by 2.5, and I've just added the die cut snowflake to the front, or the die cut star to the front. And I'm just going to get some dimensionals. I've been using up things, so I've been using up this little sheet of gems I got from somebody in a swap. Very nice, because it's got lots of colours and stuff in. There we go. So just pop one in each, into each little part of that. So yeah, I quite like that card. I think it's pretty. It could be a bit better, but it's put together on the spot. I'm quite happy with it. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.